This video shows how to assemble the West Bend popcorn cart. Please check all packaging material carefully before discarding. Accessory parts may be contained within the packaging material. Always refer to the included assembly instructions for more details. To assemble the cart, you will need the following parts and pieces. Place the support crossbeam into an H-shaped side bracket leg. Place the Axel crossbeam into an H-shaped side bracket leg. The Axel crossbeam will have a fluted edge that faces the floor when installed properly. Screw support and Axel crossbeams into H-shaped bracketlets. Attach wheels to Axel crossbeam. Slide wheel over axle so silver rim faces out. Attach washer and screws using provided Phillips screwdriver. Next, attach the end caps. Flip the cabinet over and attach the bottom using 4 screws. Place 1 screw at each corner and use provided Phillips screwdriver to attach the bottom. Take the popcorn cabinet and attach to the H-shaped leg brackets. Inside cabinet, use 4 wider screws, 1 at each corner, and attach cabinet to cart legs. To assemble the handle, start by aligning screw holes on prep shelf with those on the handle. Flip so the handle is resting on its side and the screw hole is visible. Use a screw and Phillips screwdriver to attach. Place cylindrical handlebar in the round hole provided on the handle side. Repeat attaching handle side to prep shelf and use screw and Phillips screwdriver to attach. Wheels and handle will line up on the same side of the cart. Slide handle assembly into 2 slots on the cabinet until they click. Before adding the popper to the cabinet, use the wider screws in the handles from the top of the cabinet. The 2 screw holes will be on each end where the handle attaches. Now attach the popcorn popper to the cabinet by using the suction cup feet, which are located on the bottom of the popper unit. Your West Bend popcorn cart is now ready for use.